In this exercise, we're given a real 3 by 3 matrix A as follows. Notice it has two parameters, A and B, in it, constants parameters. The question is, can we find A and B to make A similar to B, which is given here? Now, to help us, we know that similar matrices have certain things in common. They have the same trace, they have the same determinant, and they have the same eigenvalues. So let's see if this works out here. That's going to be the constraints that will give us equations. First of all, we'll talk about the same trace. The trace of B is 2 plus 7 plus 6. So I think there's a typo here. It should be a 16 here. Yeah, okay, fix that. That's 25. A, we've scrolled off. Yeah, there it is. The trace of A is A plus 3 plus negative 5. And that gives us A minus 2. So we compare A minus 2 is 25. That gives us that A is 27. Now let's go for the determinant. Oh wait, before that we want to revise A, because we had little a here, but we know that's 27, so now we can revise A. And now we want to compare the determinants. So the determinant of A is this determinant, and just to make it easier, what we do is subtract the second column from the third column. B minus B is 0, 3 minus 2. Maybe we should subtract it the other way around. Yeah, it's the third minus the second. Then we'll get a plus 3 here. And now we expand along the first row. So we've got 27 times this 2 by 2 determinant, then minus B times this 2 by 2 determinant. Anyway, this is what we get, 27 plus B. And I'll spare you the details of the determinant of B, because it's just a waste of time to do that here. It comes out 84, I make it. So we equate 27 plus B is 84, then bring the 27 over to the other side. That gives us that B is 57, and if we substitute B is 57 in here, then we've got that A is this. But we can't stop here,